Hey guys, if your Wi-Fi network adapter is missing, today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix it. First thing first, come below at the search bar, type in Device Manager. Launch a Device Manager and then make sure that you expand this Network Adapters. Once it is so, you will see your Wi-Fi driver, just like this Intel R Wi-Fi. You have to right click onto it, and if it has been disabled, you have to tap on this Enable Device. In my case, this is already enabled. Now, if you cannot access your Wi-Fi adapter, you may go ahead, right click onto Network Adapters, scan for hardware changes. Now, you may go ahead and see it right at this page. If you are still not being able to see it, then here is the last thing you can try. Come below at the search bar, type in Network Reset. You will see Network Reset under System Settings. Open it, and likewise click on Reset Now. As it is so, confirm your action and then restart your device, and this shall fix your problem. So guys, this is all for today's video. Thank you for watching.